Hi everyone. Today we have discussed the most important topic, mode of nutrition in amoeba. And in this lecture we know how amoeba obtain its food. As you know, the amoeba is a unicellular animal. It feeds bacteria, microscopic plants like diatoms, algae, protozoa. The process of obtaining food by amoeba is called phagocytosis, or this process is also known as endocytosis. Phagocytosis are also known as endocytosis. The various steps involved in the nutrition of amoeba are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. All the process of nutrition are performed by single cell of amoeba. Amoeba takes in food using temporary finger-like extension which fuse over the food particle, forming food vacuole. This finger-like extension of cell surface is called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia secrete a sticky and toxic fluid and kills the prey. The food vacuole contains digestive enzymes which break down the food into nutrients and undigested waste. Later on, in this slide, we see that how amoeba capture its food. In the first diagram, amoeba senses foods. Later on, pseudopodia are formed which surround the food particle. Now food enclosed in a food vacuole. Enzymes from the cytoplasm secreted into the food vacuole. Food is digested and soluble materials are absorbed and assimilated. And later on, the undigested food is expelled out, and this process is known as egestion. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is holozoic, and various steps involved in the process of nutrition are ingestion. Amoeba ingests food with the help of finger-like extension called pseudopodia. When a food particle approaches amoeba, it forms pseudopodia around it and forms a food vacuole inside the amoeba. Second step, digestion. Various enzymes from the cytoplasm enters into the food vacuole and break them down into the simple soluble molecules. Now the third step is digestion. Now the third step is absorption. The simple soluble food is absorbed by cytoplasm of amoeba from food vacuoles through the process of diffusion. Fourth step, assimilation. Amoeba cells obtain energy from the absorbed food through respiration, and this energy is utilized by amoeba for its growth and repair of the body. And the last, egestion. When undigested food gets collected inside amoeba, its cell membrane ruptures and undigested food is expelled out. Thank you.